Hello, my name is Marcel Koning. I'm working for Plug International. As Plug, we are distributing the brand Alpha connectors worldwide. We have a wide range of products, and I would like to show you some of the products right now. For example, we here have the circular connectors, especially for use in lighting and LED, as well as sound. Besides that, we also have the RF connectors, rack and panel connectors, and furthermore we have the sub-D connectors. You can find us on our website. It's www.plug-international.com, and that's it.